Welcome back to my Chanel. Today we're diving into the world of herbal detoxes and cleanses, nature's way to reset and rejuvenate your body. From ancient times to modern wellness routines, herbal detoxes have been a trusted method to cleanse the body of toxins, improve digestion, and boost energy levels. But which herbs are the most effective? And how can you incorporate them into your daily routine? Let's find out. What is an herbal detox? An herbal detox involves using natural herbs to support your body's detoxification processes. These herbs help to cleanse the liver, kidneys, and digestive system, aiding in the elimination of toxins that build up from processed foods, pollution, and daily stress. Top herbs for detoxification. Let's take a look at some of the top herbs for detoxification. Dandelion root. Known for its liver-cleansing properties, dandelion root helps to flush out toxins and improve liver function. Milk. Thistle. This powerful herb protects the liver from damage and supports its ability to detoxify the body. Turmeric. Rich in curcumin, turmeric reduces inflammation and supports the body's natural detox pathways. Ginger. A potent digestive aid, ginger enhances digestion and speeds up the detox process by stimulating circulation and sweating. Peppermint. Besides being refreshing, peppermint aids digestion and helps to cleanse the gastrointestinal tract. DIY Herbal Detox Tea Recipe. Now, let's prepare a simple and effective herbal detox tea that you can make at home. For this, you'll need 1 teaspoon of dandelion root, 1 teaspoon of milk thistle seeds, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a handful of fresh peppermint leaves. Steps. Combine all the ingredients in a teapot. Pour hot water over the herbs and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup and enjoy. This detox tea is perfect to sip in the morning to kickstart your day or in the evening to help your body wind down and cleanse overnight. When to detox and safety tips. Remember, herbal detoxes are most effective when done as part of a balanced lifestyle. It's best to detox when you feel sluggish, after a period of unhealthy eating, or during seasonal changes. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any detox, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness tips and remedies. Try this herbal detox tea and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Until next time, stay healthy and stay natural.